Today we're gonna make this tasty Hawaiian chicken salad. It's got a little bit of pineapple, a little bit of nuts, and we end up with a delicious chicken salad sandwich that is above and beyond. I love this, it's so good. It's a little bit sweet with the pineapple, and you just have to stick around and see how we make it. Aloha friends, I'm Mathea Ford with Renal Diet HQ, and today we're gonna make Hawaiian chicken salad. It's super easy and it's very delicious. You won't even miss the salt. We're going to use bread for the rest of the sandwich. We have chicken that we're going to cook. We have sliced almonds, diced celery, pineapple, some mayo for the chicken salad, and then garlic and pepper. And we're gonna put this all together and make a delicious, quick and easy Hawaiian chicken salad that you can have in the fridge and eat throughout the week, and it'll be great every time. I'm using a non-stick pan, so I don't need to add any oil. I'm just gonna cook the chicken. Okay. So now that we've cooked the chicken, I like to dice it up a little smaller so it's not chunky in the bread. Once I dice it up a little smaller, I'm going to put it into the bowl. You just kind of want little bits and bites. Still kind of hot, so you just got to be careful. All right, now for the fun part, let's just mix it all together. If you want your chicken cold, you might put it in the fridge for 30 minutes or so before mixing it together. But if you're fine with it being a little bit warm, you can start right away and eat it right away. So we're gonna put in our garlic powder and our pepper. Our crunchy diced celery. The pineapple, which makes it the Hawaiian part. Sliced almonds, and the glue that holds it together, the mayo. And there's our final. Okay, so now we're gonna take and put the chicken salad on the bread, and then we're gonna have a taste. All right, let's have a taste. We have our piece of bread, and I've done the recipe to have just one piece of bread, so I really piled it up because it's 4 servings. So let's have a taste. I love that crunchy almond, those crisp celery pieces, and it's just really good. This is delicious. The pineapple gives it a little bit of sweetness. There's not too much mayo. I love this, and I'm gonna have another bite. So good.